Success is a journey, not so much a destination. My journey started in New York City. Son of a single parent, I was able to get a job at a health food store in order to make ends meet. I worked really hard and became the manager of that store. And after high school, I was able to join the US Army to serve our country and to pay for college. In college, I got a BS in biomedical science and a BA in political science. And in 1998, I applied to medical school and got accepted. And over the last 20 years, I've been practicing emergency medicine. And in those 20 years, I've started over 20 companies, ranging from vitamin companies to iPhone apps, and finally creating Trusted Medical Center. Looking back at my life, all the successes, all the failures, I took all that knowledge and information and poured it into Success Reinvention. This book represents the blueprint for your future success. No matter how you define success, this book was written for you. Maybe you're starting a new business. Maybe you're switching careers. Or perhaps you want to be a better parent or spouse. No matter what your goals may be, this book will help you get there. My promise to you is that if you read this book and commit to the principles inside of it, you will find success.